Follow CBS PHILLY Facebook, Twitter. New Orleans, CBS. Eagles fans are taking over the streets of New Orleans ahead of Sunday's game versus the Saints. Eyewitness News caught up with several members of Eagles Nation who were confident that the guys in green can get the job done. Bourbon Street became Birds Boulevard Saturday as Eagles fans flocked to the French Quarter. "I'm very confident we're peaking at the right time," John O'Donohue of Glen Mills said. "Foles is gonna bring us another miracle home." Eagles fan has attended every game this season as a bucket list goal, with some generosity from the Birds. Eyewitness News caught up with an uncle and a nephew from Shreveport, Louisiana, one a Saints fan and one an Eagles fan. "How do they coexist? We really don't," Eagles fan Jesse Shepard said. "We're the best team anyway, so it really doesn't matter." His uncle, John Dean, dressed in full Saints gear, had a message for Eagles fans. Silly, we gonna clip them, Philly," Dean said. "It was all fun Saturday night, but Sunday will be all business as the Eagles face the Saints at 4:40 p.m. in the divisional round." Comments.